Hello everybody, and today I am going to be showing you some of my 3 cats that I have and tell you a little bit about them. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to find Mystery, who's usually by the food bowl, so let's go there. Hey girl, come on. Could you get out of the shadows? Oh, there's Princess and there's Claw, the mother, who you might not be able to see. There's Mystery. Here's Princess. It's okay, girl. And then here's Claw, the mom. By the way, all 3 of them are girls, and they pretty much love each other. But Mystery's kind of let down and never sleeps with me anymore. He's Jasper's cat. This is Charlotte's cat. This is my cat, who when I move out, I'll be taking her with me, and then when Charlotte moves out, hopefully Claw's still alive. Charlotte will take Claw, and then Jasper will take Mystery. I really want all 3 of them. Yeah. Do you have no? No. Okay, so pretty much, sometimes I get Princess and Claw confused because they're really almost the same size now. So now I have to either look at their face. Princess will show her your face later. Or their tail. Princess, Claw, Princess. The adorable thing. So those are my pets. Please subscribe and leave a like and comment down below what I should do my next video on. Bye.
No!